It's Daily C, aka Dark Lighter, and I'm saying hello to everyone listening to my voice. And I want you to please subscribe to my podcast, to my YouTube channel, Daily C, aka Dark Lighter. Please listen, stay tuned, and get nowhere. Alright, I'm gonna be talking about something that has crossed my mind lately and something that has actually been happening to me. And I think if I share to people, I think a lot of people is gonna benefit from also doing the same and gonna live a better and wonderful life. And that is listening to our angels. Listening to our angels. Well, a lot of people out there think maybe they don't have a guardian or such of or maybe like an spirit or spirit or whatever guiding him or her. So many people might have lost hope on knowing which direction to go in life. But I'll tell you the truth, that is something always with you, or there is someone always wanting to talk to you, or someone always wanting to direct you to the right path in everything that you choose to do, except if you are not willing to open that portal. When you open this portal, I believe you're gonna start to live a beautiful life afterwards. And this portal actually sometimes might not be you that might open this. It might be when you are feeling down. It might be at the times of problems. It might be the times when you think there is no more hope, like there is nothing else to do, there is no one to talk to anymore. You feel your world is crashing. That is the time when this portal can open. I want to start with the signs of which the angels can be showing you that could make you to understand that it's something that's trying to reach out to you. First, it can come with numbers. Your angels can want to talk to you through saying some numbers physically. Like you could be seeing some numbers, some street signs, and it keeps repeating. Sometimes some phone numbers calling you randomly, and sometimes when you look at the numbers, maybe at the beginning of the numbers or ending of the numbers, it might have something to do with something maybe you might have seen somewhere, or maybe sometimes a number can pop into your head, or sometimes someone can just buy you a recharge card or send you some amount of money, and it's always like the same amount of money. You have to start listening or being watchful at this particular time. This is the time when your angel or your guardian is trying to reach out to you, for you to understand that this is the time for you to start listening. Maybe that is something that is coming up. Maybe it might be a problem. Maybe it might be something that you might cry at the end of the day, or maybe something good. It's always varies, It might be good, it might be bad. No one knows. It's only you that could find out. So this time, maybe you could have revelations, like two dreams. You might see some numbers in the dream, some lotto numbers, some binary numbers. Sometimes you could see some phone numbers. Sometimes you could see some numbers that might just come up on a phone screen, on a TV screen, on a road sign in the dream. Yeah, sometimes you could have such kind of dreams when you can see a number on the phone or wherever. You could see sometimes it could be 10, sometimes it could be 201, sometimes it could be 211, something like that. Sometimes it could be 4 zeros, 5, Some numbers like that, some numbers like that could be your angel or your guardian trying to reach out to you. So when they started with me, what I did was I started to take note. I started to ask. Sometimes, like, I could ask my girlfriend, like, what do you think? I've been seeing this number. Sometimes she'll say, wow, well, I have no idea. Maybe you could look that up in the internet. So that was what I did. I looked that up in the internet. I checked what is this number, what does it mean. Then and I discovered that there are a whole lot of people that are out there who might be spiritual, who might have noted this, also have some information on the internet about this. So I checked and I discovered that these numbers, once I started to give attention to these numbers, I started to discover that it started coming. More numbers started coming. I started getting more numbers for me to know that there is a guardian or an angel trying to talk to me, and there is a spirit person around me. There is some sort of confidence that I need to have at this particular time. There is actually a lot of things. When I started to check these numbers, when it started coming, and after that, it stopped. So this is one of the things that are very, very important we should look out for. You don't just sit down in your room and you keep praying without observing. Prayer is the key, yes, but you have to also take note of observation. Whenever you're praying at a particular time, you decide to be focused with prayers. You have to be very observant with things around you. That period, maybe you might have some certain problems. Maybe your landlord or the proprietor of the house can send you away. Maybe your friend can start to nag over some things that might piss you off. Maybe some people can just say words to you that might get you upset. You have to know that every prayer comes with a test, sacrifice, meditation, patience, observation. So this particular period is the time when our angels can give us confidence, send us numbers, people. They can send us people in our life. And sometimes when you are in a particular spot for a long time and this kind of person comes, maybe the time when the angels or the guidance send someone to your life, they might give you a problem for you to leave that place, to go to a new place, to meet that person. Or you can be frustrated and you just want to ease yourself and take a walk. And maybe on the road you can meet someone, or maybe on the internet. It can happen by any way, by any chance. So that period you have to be observant of what is coming up at that particular time. So apart from numbers, you can also start to see through illusion or imagination. When you start taking note of these numbers, your dreams start to get more clearer. You can have a direction through your dreams, like a place to go to. Maybe if you're looking for a job, you can have a dream where someone can talk to you and tell you something you don't have to do. Maybe it's someone you know. It can come with faces of people you know. Then when you start taking observation, it comes, the guardian or spirit angel comes with her or his face. So these particular times, numbers, directions through dreams, 3 messages, you can start getting messages. Sometimes it could be a Bible verse, it could be a message of what to do, but sometimes through the dreams. Then also, there are a whole lot. I'll be talking about the rest in the next episode that I'll be dropping very soon. So if you want to know what to do or what is happening to you at this particular time. There are a whole lot of people who might have or who is passing through this trial time of the angel trying to reach out to this person, and this person does not know how to actually get this, how to understand what he or she is passing through. Please follow me up on the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Dilisi, aka Darklighter, on my Spotify, Darklighter, aka Dilisi, on every podcast channel you know. The next time I'm going to be talking about the signs, the visions of how to know when your guardian or your angel is talking to you, what you can see for you to be patient, to understand the information. All right, take care and have a beautiful day. Please stay